Hey guys, this is Gwen from Hairbow Supplies, etc. Today we are going to make this really cute top knot headband, and we're doing a series this week on headbands. So last week we did one on this baby bow turban headband, so feel free to watch that video. But this week we're going to do the top knot headband. To make this headband, what you'll need is to measure the circumference of the baby's head and then add 8 inches. And if you need a chart, I've got one for you in this video as well. So let's go ahead and get started. The easiest way I found to cut knit fabrics is using my rotary cutting scissors and my cutting mat. This has been the easiest way, and it really helps the knit not to curl as much. You'll need 27 inches by 6 inches of fabric, and you want to take your fabric and then fold it right sides together and then lengthwise. And then I want you to take it and pin it. The easiest way to do this for your knit fabric is to iron your piece all the way down. After you've ironed your piece, let it cool for a little bit, and then it'll help your knit fabric not to roll. Fold your pieces together, and then we'll pin this all the way down. Okay, now that you have your piece folded right sides together and pinned all the way down, what you want to do is sew from this edge up to the corner all the way down, and say this is your center of your fabric. You want to make a space, about a 1-inch space, because we're going to turn that inside out, and then sew all the way down here again to the corner, and then all the way to the corner. What I'm going to do though is go ahead and fold it in half. And then this is the center, so what I want you to do is just take your pin and pin right in the center right here, so that way when we do sew, we know where our center is. So let's head over to the sewing machine. When you stitch with knit fabrics, be sure to stitch with a zigzag stitch. So I'm here at my center. I'm going to just stitch up a little close and then stop. And then I'm going to start back over here. And then you can pull out your pin. And then stitch all the way down. So I have my fabric, the edges sewn, and what you want to do is take your scissors and trim the corners. And then take and turn your fabric inside out. I really like this headband tutorial. I feel like this one is a much easier one than last week's tutorial. It's just really simple because you're just making a tube and you know, turning it inside out, and then we're just going to make a knot. So I mean, it's just, I think this one goes a lot quicker. It's a lot more simple, and you know, I think anybody, you know, could try to make this headband, and it would work. It's going to work really, really great for you. So this fabric is not as stretchy as this other light pink fabric that I used earlier. This one is a lot stretchier. I like this one as well. I got my fabrics at Hobby Lobby. I love their fabrics there. They always seem to, you know, keep up with the trends, and you know, every time I go in there, they always have something new, which is really, really nice. So what I want you to do now is iron your fabric. So I went to my ironing board. I forgot one more thing. So what I want you to do is get a pencil real quick and go down to the hole of the center of your headband, and then bring that pencil down up into that corner. And this is going to help poke out that corner and make it like a really nice, pretty pretty point. Do that to all your corners. See, it just kind of pokes that corner out just a little bit more to make it nice point. This one's a good and pointed already, but this one just kind of rounded out, and I just wanted to fix that a little bit. Now we're going to tie our bow. So just get a box or a book or something that you can tie your knot around. What I want you to do is tie your left side over the right side and pull up. Now I want you to take your top side and put it over the bottom side and then pull your knot. Just like that. So you can keep tying your knot a little bit and then pulling these out. And that's it. And that's how to make a top knot headband. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see y'all next week. Bye!